Vista Create, and very similar to Canva. And these are some of my slides, but you can just pick out the type you want. This is, say for instance, a Twitter post, and we can adjust the size to fit where we want so you can see everything. And with this one you can see I've actually added some music, which you just add from over here, or add your own. Okay. These are all animated, so you can change whatever you like. Okay, so that's that one. And then, so just that animated, that one's a little shake. You can have the direction it comes in. You can delay it on your, you can preview your animations. Again, this is obviously a different animation, just to move it in from the right. At the entrance, you can have it move the settings both, exit from the left and the right. I made that a little bit longer. You can preview it, but you've got all the features, or a lot of features here. You've got videos you can choose from. So if we were to add a new slide, for instance, you can put a video clip together, have it as long as you want. I'm just doing that real quick. Okay, so then when you've, whatever you want to do, there's lots and lots of options in here. Pretty cool. And then you can search for whatever you want. Say a toothbrush. And let's put these toothbrush in here for whatever reason you want to do that for. Animate it. Don't forget to brush your teeth, for instance. And that was the colour. You can add ordinary text. You've got plenty of choices of different things you can add here. But let's move that over there. Animate it to come in from the left. Yeah, from the left. If you wanted to change the colour, you could do that. We can just have the multicolour. Let's see the animation on that. We'll make that just a bit longer, of course. That's it, then we can just play it. If you make several GIF slides like these two, okay, when you export it, it'll only export the first one, so you can just move that across if that's the one you want. Export. You see, even when it is a download, you've got the option to choose. It would be a GIF, or just go back and say GIF there. And here it is. Okay, that's all there is to it. When you have plain images without animation, you can see I've got several here, different pictures. And then you can, instead of, if you just said you wanted a JPEG, it would download everything, but you can download, you can unselect all and say you just want this one. For argument's sake, you just download the one picture. So there you are. That's a little introduction to Vista Create. I'm Ed Kirwan, and I hope that helped you. Bye for now.